Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the essential documents: driving license, vehicle RC, valid insurance, and driver ID. Once confirmed, open the Uber Partner app and tap Add Vehicle to begin the registration flow. Follow prompts to enter vehicle details, make model, year, and registration number because accurate data prevents delays. Take clear photos of each document, make sure edges and text are readable. After uploading, proceed to the next screen to schedule inspection or submit for review, depending on your city. Once you submit documents, schedule the mandatory vehicle inspection or drive to the designated center. During inspection, confirm lighting, brakes, seat condition, and any regional required fittings like branding or meters. Inspectors note these specific points. After passing, install any Uber-provided decal or app hardware. This ensures compliance and rider trust. Next, finish the vehicle profile in the app, link your bank or payment method for payouts, and enable availability settings so the vehicle is visible to riders when you go online. You activate the vehicle in the Partner app after approval, then run a short test trip to confirm GPS, fare estimates, and pickup flow operate correctly. If your application is rejected, read the rejection reason carefully and correct only those items. Upload clearer photos or fix inspection faults, and resubmit. If problems persist, contact Uber support with your inspection ID, document images, and timestamps. Ask for a manual review. Doing this speeds resolution and gets your auto earning riders sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.